What's up YouTube, this is Kng Jehu of WallStreet. Now today in this video, this is actually supposed to be the second video for the week, but it's actually the first, and this is the week 3 of my FundedNext competition challenge. So this week has been a really crazy one. I'm only trading gold, and then I had some misconceptions on my bias for the week, which led me to not making any amount even till this point. Today I was up 7k, I didn't close. I was up 4,500, I didn't close. It all reversed back to break even, so I didn't make anything for the day. Now I still have a setup that I hope is gonna play out though, but for now just stick to the end of the video. I'm gonna take you guys on where my account is right now and show you the progress we are making. Hopefully I expected to take this account to 200k this week, but gold consolidated the whole of Monday. This week wasn't like last week, guys, so but I still expect, I don't know, I just believe I'll come out in the ladder board and I'll make it. I feel like giving up at this point. So stick to the video, guys. Thanks for liking and subscribing. For those of you guys that join my channel, I'm so grateful, and I love the engagement that is coming on, so stick to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let's go. Now you can see gold is trending up, massively trending up, and I'm not part of the trend. Yesterday, let me go custom. Yesterday, you see, I only made 960. Then on Tuesday, I lost. Whoa! yo! Is this a coincidence? Made 960, lost 960. Then on Monday, minus 2,900. That's crazy. I didn't expect yesterday and today to have exact amount. Well, so now this is Thursday. The reason was that I was actually, I knew that we're trending upwards. Price failing to break above here was not making me feel, yeah, the bearish is true, because price reacted, and then I was trying to sell, then boom. Meanwhile, I knew since when price entered this daily breaker block here, and sniper, and then the sell went as far up to here, 7,000, reversed, came back to like 3,000, 4,000, reversed. So this particular day here, price after buying is dropped. So I felt like, yo, we have to drop higher high, higher low, higher high. So I was not trying to catch a drop, and I got this 10-minute breaker block and liquidity. You can see we have the breaker block here, the liquidity, price tapped and sold, but this sell was just to clear off a few liquidity. And then on the 30-minute time frame, we had a QMR that was respected on this spot. Now let me highlight the QMR for you. You can see this is a QMR. There's another block that failed on this side, then price respected it on this side. So since price has denied me, what I'm going to do is to catch the next QMR. That's why you can see my buy entry where it is. This is also another block that price has disrespected. So all this trending that price is doing, I expect it to come back, clear out liquidity, tap on my entry, and I'm going to hold eventually. This time around, no emotion. I'll hold it till it reaches 3,442. Hopefully, because man, I'm tired of this challenge. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't want to come around. I want to get at least 10 in this challenge, because 10 to 4th is gonna get 50k account, 1st to 3rd 100k account, but anything from 50 to 100 is just 5k account. It is what it is.